TMJ is a problem right now. Everybody is stressed out. Everybody's clenching. What is the relationship of your mandible to the maxilla, to the skull? Now, many people have had accidents, car accidents, trauma. They have injured their spine. So the alignment of the jaw and the neck is out of whack. So what happens is that, say you didn't have any accident, but you are under a lot of stress and you didn't realize that you're clenching your teeth together, you can actually damage the temporomandibular joint. It could be trauma from occlusion, your teeth being in a bad position, you have braces, and the orthodontist was not able to put them in good alignment. So TMJ is a conglomerate and is multifactorial. It has to do with stress management, with the relationship of the teeth to each other, the relationship of the mandible to the maxilla, and also the activity of the muscles, the nerves, and it's a very complex problem. Nowadays, we have patients that are under tremendous amount of stresses because we were not made for this, right? The people are doing more than what God intended us to do. So they're putting a tremendous amount of compression on the muscles, on the nerves, and on the jaw. You can end up losing teeth. You might be shaving teeth out of occlusion. It's very complex. That's why as holistic dentistry, we want to know you as a whole. What are you thinking? What's your source? How do you charge up? Where do you go to find and trust your problems to? Because TMJ could be resolved as simple as you having faith and giving your problems to the Lord and then using a mouth guard. But if TMJ got too advanced that now you have damaged the trigeminal nerve, then now you need to see a neurosurgeon. So, TMJ can be as simple as, let's give you a mouth guard, let's redo your teeth, to I gotta send you to a neurosurgeon because now you have compression of the trigeminal nerve and it's just a different level of pain.